maybe even some more treble, right? What is up, everybody? It is your boy Farai, man. Thank you once again for tuning into another video, man. Merry Christmas to everyone out there. Hope you've been taking it easy. Hope you're at home chilling out with family, man. We're gonna be doing another free preset pack giveaway, man, just to say thank you. This is my 4th year on YouTube, man, and I've had a lot of fun learning as well as just growing as a mixer as well as just a content creator, man. So we're gonna be breaking down the free preset packs that I have, or free presets that I have more so. You will check the link in the description. It is on MediaFire, easy download. You will find this in the download. So pretty much we got some cool presets that I've compiled from some of my favorite vocal effects I've done this year, some custom stuff as well, and I'll just basically show you how to make use of a few different types of presets, man. So stick around for that. Definitely make sure to smash like so I know you're there. Comment below, man. Tell me how you're doing. You know what I mean? If you're getting any plugins for Christmas, any hardware for Christmas, man, or you have a bit of cash you're gonna spend on some hardware, you know, post below, man. But anyway, I hope you're doing well. So let's get straight into it. So as you can see right here, we have majority of stuff that is native to FL Studio. These presets have been made in FL12, so they will work all the way up from FL 12.1.3 all the way up to the latest version, which is 20.8. So you can use these regardless of what FL version you have. I can't confirm if they'll work with FL11, but nonetheless, man. So yeah, you'll also find the Readme instructions. This is just pretty much mandatory by now. If you're an FL20 user, you will go in your My Documents folder. You can follow these this preset kind of directory right here. If you're an FL12 user, you'll obviously go into your program files.86. If you want to see where those files are, you can see right here for FL20, you can go into Documents, Image Line, FL Studio, Presets, Plugin Presets, Effects, and then obviously you can find each corresponding plugins folder, right? So for example, let's install some FL20 presets, right? So let's just say I wanted to install the Parametric EQ2 presets, right? This is the preset folder. Whoops, my bad. I open up that folder, right? You're gonna find this 2020 Christmas vocal preset pack folder. Now you don't need to drag and drop these. You can drag and drop the whole folder, and I'll show you why. So let's just say we went into the FL20 directory, right? We can then click on Fruity Parametric EQ2 and then simply drag across those downloaded presets. And now that when we actually open up our Fruity Parametric EQ2, we'll actually find that folder has been added. The same will apply to you know, the FL12. So you know what I mean, you can try that out for FL12 as well. But really cool, really simple. We got some really nice stuff to go through. So you know, the majority of stuff that I've worked on is pretty much you know, let me just see if I can find, where am I now? Yeah, so pretty much I focused on getting really nice clean cut vocal presets as well as some really nice analog emulation stuff that you can use for mastering or for vocals. So you know, we got some cool compressors. We also have what we have right here. Definitely go and check this plugin below. This is the new Acustica plugin. If you want to really get crazy with it, this plugin is free up until February 14, I think. Every year Acustica does a free giveaway, and this sounds really good on the master bus. So we'll mess around with this a bit later. I have made some custom presets, so definitely go check this out. If you are watching this 2021 post 14 February, I apologize. Last year as well, I recommended everyone check out the Celestial plugin. So yeah, man, definitely take my word, I'm out there. But yeah, man, let's kind of mess around with, for example, some of the Fruity Parametric presets. So for example, we got this track right here. This is the Juice WRLD vocal effect. Let's just say I was working on this track and I thought, man, I really want to kind of manipulate the beat, right? What I could do is I could, for example, solo out the beat. Let's just do that, and then add in my Parametric EQ2. I actually have some presets tailor-made for beats, so we can go in here. We've installed them. Now we can go to, okay, cool, the Spotify beat EQ is really cool, right? It's really just gonna help smooth out the track. This is gonna help with your 2-track instrumentals. So you know, just something to really smoothen out your track, not manipulate stuff too much. That's kind of how I've worked on these presets. It's not to kind of, you know, change everything and make it sound perfect off one preset. I really want you to kind of get in my head in regards to how, you know, how I just really like to mix, you know what I mean? So, you know, for example, let's say we have this vocal EQ right here, right? We could go for something like the starter EQ if we really just wanted to do some simple EQ and kind of carve out. With my left hand, cut and smoking on headband. Rockstar, but you think I'm Juice WRLD. Trap star, but you we could take it a bit crazy, right? Let's just say we felt, man, it's still a bit too much bass. You can see I've kind of got these preset frequency bands right here. We could dip a little bit more. Maybe even some more treble, right? Can you see how kind of non-intruding that vocal sound is now, or that EQ is on the vocal? It's not really too bad, right? So yeah, man, definitely mess around. I've also got a whole bunch of cool stuff for background vocals as well. For example, let's just say I wanted to add a multiband compressor, right? We've got a de-esser right there, which you can apply to your background vocals, you know what I mean? So let's just say, where would we be right here? Yeah, there we go. Let's just say we found, man, you know, that's sounding a bit too spiffy. We have no slots left for that one, so that's not gonna work. Where would the double be right here, man? Anyway, but you get the idea, man. Jumpman, all I do is trap, man. Anyway, but you get the idea, man. There's lots of cool stuff to mess around with. You know, definitely check the link in the description, man. Hopefully have a good holiday, rest up, you know what I mean? Install these presets as I showed before. Download the CERISE plugin, if that's how you name it, and have some fun mixing, man. You know, you can also definitely mess around with, for example, oh yeah, I might as well show you the CERISE plugin before we end this video. But let's just say I wanted some more kind of you know, analog on my mix bus, right? I could just go drag and drop that, or I could install it as I said before, and then I could enable it. This is going to use up a whole lot of CPU, right? Quite a bit of CPU. Jumpman, all I do is trap, man. Rip it with my left hand, in the cut and smoking on headband. Rockstar, bitch, you think I'm Juice WRLD. Crapstar, bitch, you think I'm Farai. Got fucked up that they all gone, yeah. Just adding a little bit of analog warmth onto our track. Now obviously you can take things crazier. We could drive our mix a bit harder, right, for a bit more distortion. We could use a little bit of the EQ. As you can see, this preset was, you know, just kind of popping out the mids, adding a little bit of kind of preamp drive onto there, but it definitely sounds more analog now. So, you know, have some fun. Check out some of the mix bus EQs as well. So for example, we've got this punk rap EQ right here, which will be a nice addition. Jumpman. So okay, cool, we got a problem here. It's thinning out the mix too much, right? As I said before, I've got predefined bands here, so you can say, okay, that 2 was thinning out the mix a bit too much. Adding a bit too much treble, so let's tone that back. Jumpman, all I do is trap, man. Rip it with my left hand, in the cut and smoking on headband. Rockstar, bitch, you think I'm Juice WRLD. Crapstar, bitch, you think I'm Farai. Got fucked up that they all gone, yeah. But it's cool cause they living in my songs, yeah. Now we kind of got this nice analog kind of cut going through the mix, but we've also got this really nice kind of saturation going on. So mix and match, have some fun, enjoy your time off if you're on holiday right now. If you're still in school, keep working, you know what I mean? And keep mixing in your spare time, you know, and yeah, man, have a good one. I'll check you out next time. Until next year, peace out.